I don't hate you, 2025, but you were a difficult year, full of challenges, changes, and learning. You showed me that life can change in the blink of an eye, and taught me to trust myself more. But above all, you made me understand that my health, whether physical, emotional, or mental, is what really matters. Not every question demands an immediate answer, and not every ending is a loss. You showed me that there are moments when nothing moves because nothing can. So no, I don't hate you, but I won't forgive you either, at least not yet. You dragged me through truths I didn't want to face, through loss I wasn't ready to feel. You left me with wounds that haven't closed, with breaks that haven't settled into anything I can understand. I don't see light pouring in, not yet. You didn't come to fix me or redeem me. You came to strip away the illusion that life is anything but unpredictable, relentless, and brutally honest. You didn't rebuild me. You left me with the choice to do it myself. So thank you, 2025. You were not easy, but you were necessary.